Cinnamon in pasta? It sounds like a culinary crime, doesn't it? Most people associate cinnamon with sugary treats like cinnamon rolls or cozy winter lattes, not savory dishes like pasta. But what if I told you this ancient spice could transform your pasta game entirely? Not just in terms of flavor, but in ways that might surprise you. This isn't some quirky TikTok trend. Adding cinnamon to pasta has deep roots in food history. It's been a staple in cuisines from the Middle East to southern Italy for centuries. Why? Because cinnamon doesn't just make your food taste good, it elevates it. The warm, slightly sweet complexity of cinnamon works magic in dishes with tomatoes, meat, or cheese. It balances acidity, enhances natural sweetness, and creates a depth of flavor that will have people asking, "What's your secret ingredient?" Let's take a classic tomato-based pasta sauce. You're simmering those tomatoes, garlic, and herbs, everything smells amazing. Now, just a small pinch of cinnamon. Not enough to overpower, just enough to add an aromatic undertone that brings the entire dish to life. Suddenly, your everyday pasta is bursting with layers of flavor you never knew were possible. But it's not just about taste. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices out there. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, boosts your metabolism, and is packed with antioxidants. By sprinkling just a bit into your pasta sauce, you're turning comfort food into functional food without even trying. Think about the dishes you already love: lasagna, bolognese, even mac and cheese. Cinnamon can be the quiet hero that ties everything together. It's not new. In fact, recipes dating back to ancient Rome used cinnamon in savory dishes to showcase its versatility. So, why did we stop? Somewhere along the way, spices like cinnamon got pigeonholed into desserts, and we lost a part of the culinary magic that defined entire eras of cooking. But now, it's time to bring it back. The next time you make pasta, challenge yourself. Add a pinch of cinnamon to your sauce or sprinkle a tiny bit into your bechamel. Let it simmer, let it melt into the dish, and watch as it surprises you. Food should always be an experience, something that makes you curious, excites your taste buds, and leaves you wanting more. Cinnamon in pasta? It's unexpected. It's bold. And it's exactly the kind of culinary experiment that could change the way you think about food forever.